it's a good colour.
Probably be feeding off them rocks.
We'll be all right here, won't we? OK, Paddy. Hey. Now then, do you want to touch on Shadrach's box, Paddy?
No, I'm all right. I've got my shooting stick. Very sunny.
Oh, you didn't let on about that, did you?
What?
No, I could smell drink on you.
Hey, no, that's my contribution. I was going to share it.
Oh, aye.
And what was?
Yeah, well, you won't mind if Paddy has a drop then, will you? Don't suppose you thought to bring beakers, did you?
Cheers.
No, it'll be all right. Kills more strict germs, does alcohol.
Oh, thank you. Just want to take a chance. Hey, I'm not a leper, you know. Cheers, Squire. You're welcome.
Yeah. Marlon's best.
You know, this is the life.
Aye, Marlon was saying he didn't think you got out enough.
You've got a bite.
Oh, yeah. Come here, come here. Oh, it's a big beggar. You might have got the general here.
Give me this. Give me here. You never could land a fish. Hey.
I've landed more fish than you've had dinners.
Easy, pretend. Come on, let me help you.
What are you gonna?
After all that.
No. Someone might want to buy that. You know what? You know you said you wanted to help? Yeah. Well, you hang on to me and see if you can reach the bike. Come on.
Just please be careful.
Oh, my feet are cold. Can you reach it?
No.
Nearly. Go on. Ah!
That's funky.
The bike. What about the bike?
What about that bike?
Well, you can't get anything wetter than you are now.
Ah.
Just get it. Hi! He's that ready, beggar. He never stops snooping. Run! Run after him, Rocket. You run for him. Oh, stop. Just leave it. Shadrach will take you back to the van. Now, I'll head off the other way as a decoy. Let me get that bike. Shadrach!
Paddy, come on.
I thought it was you.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
What are you doing here? Did Zoe give you permission to fish?
Well, look, just tell me what the fine is and I'll pay it, all right?